This 2021 Keystone Avalanche 338GK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps floor, refrigerator, leveling jacks, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, oven, water heater, awning, TV, microwave, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Avalanche 338GK is 12,350 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.